What if the biggest mistake in affiliate marketing isn't your traffic source? But what happens after someone clicks?
Every day, marketers spend time and money getting visitors, then send them away forever without capturing a single lead.
I recently found a tool built around solving that exact problem, and its approach is surprisingly simple.
Most marketers understand the value of email lists, but building lead capture systems often feels more complicated than it should.
Traditional solutions often require page builders, hosting, plugins, integrations, and hours of setup.
The result is that many people simply skip list building and promote affiliate offers directly. The problem with that approach is simple. You may get traffic, but you never build an audience you can reach again.
That's where a more streamlined workflow starts to become interesting. Its primary goal is helping marketers turn affiliate links into lead-capturing squeeze pages. Instead of sending visitors directly to an offer, the platform places a lead capture step in between.
What stood out to me is the emphasis on simplicity rather than adding more complexity. The question is whether that simplicity creates real value. Let's take a closer look.
One of the core features is AI-powered squeeze page generation based on the offer you're promoting.
Instead of starting from a blank page, the system builds a lead capture page around the offer. For marketers who value speed, this could reduce a significant amount of manual work.
The platform also integrates with several autoresponder services.
That means leads can flow directly into an existing email marketing system.
Another interesting feature is the ability to generate different versions of pages. This creates flexibility for testing without rebuilding everything from scratch.
Hosting is included, so there's no need to manage servers or WordPress installations.
Users can also adjust headlines, styling, and messaging to fit their own preferences. Let's walk through the process. First, you add the destination URL and connect your preferred autoresponder.
Next, the system analyzes the offer and creates the squeeze page.
Visitors arrive at the page and submit their information. It's working perfectly. After opting in, they're automatically redirected to the offer.
If you want a different style, you can generate another version and continue testing.
If you want to see the full review, pricing, bonuses, and my complete breakdown, check the review link in the comments. I'll also cover who this tool is best suited for and where it may not be the right fit. Let's talk about strengths and limitations.
One of the biggest strengths is ease of use. The learning curve appears relatively low.
The platform also removes much of the technical overhead associated with traditional setups. On the other hand, this is not a replacement for enterprise-level funnel systems.
Advanced users looking for extensive automation may still prefer larger marketing ecosystems.
So who should consider Insta Squeeze? Affiliate marketers focused on building email lists are likely the primary audience. Email marketers and beginners may also appreciate the simplified workflow. If you already have a sophisticated marketing stack, the value proposition may be different. Overall, I see this as a focused lead generation tool rather than an all-in-one platform. Its strongest advantages appear to be simplicity, speed, and accessibility. If you're wondering whether Insta Squeeze fits your marketing strategy, I break everything down in the full review. You'll find my detailed analysis of the features, pricing options, bonuses, and limitations. Before making a decision, I recommend reading the complete review so you can evaluate it in context.
For the latest information, available bonuses, and my full verdict, check the review link in the comments.